Raise your hand if you're also in a rebuilding season right now within your business. I'm Georgie-Ann, the founder of GSD Solutions. We have an operations and technology consulting business, and we are in the midst of rebuilding. The last 2 years, I downsized the business to just myself and a virtual assistant, and right now it's being built up. I'm full-time back in the business. I've expanded the team to 5 contractors, and we are working in order to grow sales, conversions, and clients. But before we get into that, we have a huge problem. Everything is everywhere. I'm not even gonna hold back. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Everything is everywhere. It's in the drive in a folder that I don't remember where. Some stuff is on my drive, some stuff is on the shared drive, some stuff is in HubSpot, some stuff is in Canva. And over the last 2 years, I've created so much material, and I didn't stick to my systems. I know. How are you a systems girly, but you didn't stick to your systems? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just going to be honest with you all. And what happens is, as a small and mid-sized business owner, and if you are a small business owner, or if you've worked in a small business, you know that different seasons require different systems. And I'm going to say that again. Different seasons require different systems. When I first started the business back in 2019 and it was just me, I had a set of systems and procedures that allowed me to grow and maneuver this business. And that looked like moving fast, Instagram videos, social media ads, and that worked perfectly fine. Then from 2020 to 2022, where I had 2 full-time employees, few part-time employees, contractors, global team members, that required a different set of systems. And in the last 2 years, when I had to scale back on the business, downsize back to just myself and a part-time virtual assistant, again, a new season, a new system. And as we're coming back into growing the business and I'm in that full-time rebuilding phase, I realize I'm the bottleneck. There's just so much chaos. There's so many files, so many things. And just the other day, I was on a meeting with my team and they're like, hey, Georgie, where is this document? Where is this guide that shows, a quick and easy 1-pager about the company that we could share in meetings or sales calls? And I'm like, oh yeah, I made that. Oh yeah, I have that. Could I tell you where on the drive it is? Could I tell you what I named that file? Don't judge me, but I couldn't. That's the honest truth of it. I didn't know where this stuff was. What I'm using in order to help me cut through some of this chaos and clarify where things are and leverage the documents, the graphics, the information, the notes, the tasks that I've already created and I've already worked on, to now have that be the foundation that we just need to clean up, organize, and get into shape that way my team could use it, is I'm using Dropbox Dash. So if you've never heard of Dropbox Dash before, Dropbox Dash is Dropbox AI solution that is super smart. So it connects to various different apps that you probably already have in your tech stack. And we think of apps like Canva, you could connect to it. You could connect Dropbox, Gmail, Google Drive, right? Put a pin in that one. That's going to be very important. Google Calendar, HubSpot, Asana, Notion. So a lot of the tools that you use in your everyday work, if you're in a small to mid-sized business or even a nonprofit or government agency, you're using these tools on a day-to-day basis already. But now, how do we connect them all? Get them all to talk to each other? Because if you're like me, that attachment might have been in the email and you forgot to add it to the drive, or you did add it to the drive, but you put it in the wrong folder, you didn't organize it and move it around, or the calendar invite had the detail that you need. And so everything exists, but you don't know where it's actually at. Over the last few months, I've been experimenting with Dropbox Dash from Dropbox, and it's been a total life changer. It's taking all the mess, because the information is there. Where exactly is it? I don't know. The way this works is that I put a prompt inside of Dash, and it could be something as simple as, what is the onboarding material for GSD Solutions? Or what is our capabilities as of 2025? And I just put that prompt. And what it does is it searches through all of the apps that I've connected to leverage those keywords and smartly search what documents match this, what emails, what images, what are the things that actually match this, And it could do two things for me. It could create a summary so I know where it is and it cites its sources, and then I have the information there, and I could then ask questions and have a robust conversation using my own data pool of information and material that I have created and collected. So that's one method. Or two, I could create something called Dropbox stacks. So stacks are where it collected all the sources of where it's pulling the answer to my question from. And let's say it's a document that I created in 2025, an image that I created in 2022, 3 emails that we sent before, right? Just whatever materials it's using, it could create a stack, and then I can now have that stack to refer back to. And that's great because let's say one of the files is on my main drive, one of them is on the shared drive, one is in a folder somewhere else, and it's just in all these sub folders, and I have to now go and search through it, and I just don't have the time. Time is such a limited resource, especially when you're working a small to mid-sized business, especially when you're trying to scale up, especially when you're the CEO. You don't have time to be spending hours looking for files that you know you created. So what do we always end up doing? Just creating it again. I'm guilty of this, and I know so many of my friends that are in the same bucket, where when you can't find something that you know you created and you know the information up here, instead of searching for it, you're like, the search is going to take just as long as me remaking this material. But why do double the work in the first place? That's where Dropbox Dash has been a lifesaver for me, because I know I've created these things. I know what the process is. I know I've sent an email, but now it scans through all of that for me, and it comes up with the stack of here's where I'm sourcing this information from. I could then save that stack and share it with someone else, share it with a team member, so that way they have that information and could take it to the next step. Or now I could clean it up and move the folders and move the files into the right places, and then sharing one final thing with my team. So Dropbox Dash has been super helpful in that way. And secondly, another thing that we're using Dropbox Dash for is its semantic search. So what semantic search does is I can put the description of what I'm looking for. And I love using this, especially when it comes to images. We have so many pictures and videos and things that we've collected over the past few years in the business. I'll share one example. I took these beautiful headshots, and I'm gonna show y'all them. I took these beautiful headshots, and I just remembered I was wearing a pink jacket, a pink suit when I took these headshots. Do I remember what I named the folder that I put them in on the drive? Absolutely not. Did I rename each image to say Georgie's headshot? Of course I didn't. But I remember that I was wearing pink. So I was able to go into Dropbox Dash and search women wearing pink and do the image search, and it was able to find that exact photo. And from the photo, I was able to get into the drive to see where it was in the drive. And then I'm now able to rename it within the drive. So that way I know exactly where this is. I can share with my team, and we don't have to recreate the wheel. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. And I love sharing this quote from my friend Anthony Frazier, where he says, "Don't reinvent the wheel, just put rims on it." That's exactly how I feel Dash shows up in my work currently. I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm just putting rims on it. I'm just organizing and getting everything that I need faster in order to stop being the bottleneck of my business growth. If you're a CEO, an entrepreneur, a business leader that's trying to not be the bottleneck anymore, to scale up your business, to work smarter, not just harder, definitely check out Dash AI from Dropbox. Play around with it and see what you learn. And before I go, in the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing a live interview as well as Q&A with the Dropbox team. And we're going to be talking about how I, as an entrepreneur, as a CEO, has used Dash in order to clear through that chaos, clear through that noise, and stop being the bottleneck of my organization, as well as we'll be sharing other hacks, tools, and tips, how you could leverage Dash AI in your day-to-day work. So if you want to know more about that session, go ahead and read the description down below so you can register and check it out. But I'll be back in another video to share my experience as I continue to learn more about how Dash AI works and the benefits that it offers to my business. We're rebuilding. I don't want to be the bottleneck anymore. And I can't wait to share more with y'all about Dash and how I'm using it to clear through the mess, cut through the noise, and scale GSD Solutions. See you in the next video. Later, y'all.